Hey everybody, welcome back again. So if you are looking to clear your CKS exams, then you're actually on the right channel. So in case you don't know me, I'm the founder of CodeJanitor and I'm also recently CKS certified. So let's get you certified also the right way, okay? So a question CKS love to throw at you is going to be around how to upgrade a cluster. So why do you need to know how to solve such a task? Because let's say you are working in a production environment and then there is a new version of Kubernetes. So if you are managing Kubeadm, then you need to know how to upgrade such a system. Because if you can't do it, let's say even if there's a security vulnerability in the older version and they've patched it, so you need to upgrade to the new cluster, then it's going to be your task to know how to solve such a question. So not for the exam's sake, but it's very important to know how to solve such a question, okay? So let's see what this question got for us today. So let's say we meet a question like a worker node remains an older Kubernetes version after a partial cluster upgrade. Now our task is going to be the worker node 01, upgrade the worker node 01 so that its version matches the control plane node. Nice. Let's go to our playground and let's try and prep our environment. So okay, get node. Okay, it's the same, so we need to prep our environment. Okay, now so prep question 11. So again, if you want access to the same materials to practice hands-on, please check the description down below to get access to the same materials. And please remember to practice. However you practice, I just need you to practice before you sit the exams, because it can be very tricky if you don't know how to really solve it. Okay, let's give it a moment here. Whilst it's doing its thing, let's check what the next tag says. So the rules are: do not modify any workload resources and do not delete any port. So we must not delete any port, and also keep the cluster healthy after the upgrade. This is very important. So after you've done a successful upgrade, then we need to ensure that the cluster is going to be healthy. Okay, so let's check again. Okay, get nodes. Nice. Okay, now we can see the version is version 34.0 for the node 01, and then the control plane is version 1.34.3. Nice. So we need to upgrade our node 01 to the latest version. How do we do this? Okay, so first of all, go to documentation and then go to cluster upgrade, search for cluster upgrade, click on the first link here, and then now we can read through the documentation. So when you are practicing, please take your time to read through the documentation so that you can get a lot of context for it, okay? But because I know what to do already, I will just jump straight on. Again, let me show you one more trick. So sometimes if your control plane is on node version 1.35, it's a different package repository, so you need to change the package repository, but that is very complex. I don't think they will test you on that. But in real production sense, when you need to change from a new package version, then that's how you need to do. You need to go into the package directory and then change the version there. Okay, so I digress. So let's stick to this one here. We need to upgrade this one. So the first task we need to do is to first of all update our system. So sudo, copy the command and paste here, sudo update, and then we will update our Ubuntu system. Now we need to check the version. We need to check the versions that we are allowed to upgrade to. So basically that's what this command is going to give us. We are going to look for the version that we are allowed to upgrade to. So I will clear the screen so you can see. I will paste it here. Nice. Now I will SSH into node 01 because we need to upgrade node 01. Okay, so all the first task we did was on the control plane. So now let's SSH into node 01. SSH node 01. Nice one. So now let's run the same command again. Let's first of all update our system, update our Ubuntu system here, and then we can check the version here. Yeah, I think we can check it here. Yes, why not? We can, of course. Let's check it here. Nice. So this is the version that we are allowed to upgrade to on the node 01. So it's the same. So all we need to do is to upgrade. So clear the screen. I'll clear the screen so you can see. Put it up here. And then the next task is to unhold all the kube ADMs and kubelets. So paste the command here, sudo apt-mark unhold kube ADM, and then add kubectl, and then kubelet. Please, you can do it one by one, but remember, for the exam's sake, we need to save time. Otherwise, every minute and every second is going to count. Okay, so don't waste time. If you know how to solve this question, I just think you should be able to do this within 3 minutes. Okay, if you practice hard enough. So we will be able to upgrade the kube ADM and kubectl now. So yeah, let's check why it says that. Okay, already on, not on holds. Okay, so good. Nice one. I'll clear the screen again. I still need that code. I need this one. Yes, so it was version I don't remember. So please remember, that's why I like to do it. Let's exit and then run the same code, run the same command here. So we know the version for the control plane. So get nodes, this is all we need. Gets node, then we know the version here. That's all. Now SSH back into the node 01, and then I will paste it here. Nice one. So we need to go to version v1.34.3. so we need version 1.34.3. this is the one we need. That is all. This is the one we need. Okay, so now once we update, then we need to install the components. Okay, we need to install the Kubernetes component. So sudo apt install, and then the first component is going to be kubeadm. So remember, just copy this one. It is version 3.4.3s. so we need just this one. It says version 1.34.3. this is all we need, and then we just add this -1.1 here. Okay, that's all we need to do. So I'll clear this one here, and then I'll paste it here. Oh Jesus, it did not work. Copy, and then I'll paste it here. Okay, it doesn't work. Okay, let's write it 1.34.3 -1.1. Simple. That's all we need. So I'll copy up to here. Now I'll go. Remember, when you can copy from here to the equation sign here, because if you copy, then it will be very fast to do it rather than typing it over and over again, because you need to do it for kubeadm, and then we need to do it for the kubelet, and then we need to do it for the kubectl as well. Okay, we need to update all the components. Kubelet, no equation sign because I already copied it. Nice one. And then we need to do it for kubectl as well. Same version across board. Now we are installing the components. So once that is done, then we need to lock the versions again. So okay, good job. now it's done. So now let's log the versions again by running this command, and then add kubectl, and then kubelet. Please don't just memorize the command, because if you don't practice this, I don't know how you will be able to do it. Please don't memorize what I'm doing here. Try to understand it, okay? Try to get the concept, so that when you sit in the exams and something has changed, it will be very easy for you to see, oh, okay, I need this one instead of this, okay? So you don't have to try and go in the exams going to spin out commands. You need to know what you are doing, okay? It's very important. Nice. So now we set it back on hold. Again, now we can check the version. Let's check the version. So now we can see we have 34 here. Nice one. Okay, so I'll clear my screen, and then the next thing we need to do, the first one you will see here is for control plane. If you go down, we have the commands for node, like node 01s. So all your nodes that have joined your cluster. So you have the command for it, but we can just use this one and then know what to do. So we don't need to use this one. You don't need to use this one. All we need is a command here. So for other nodes, after all we have done, for other nodes, please run this command, okay? We need to run kubeadm upgrade node. That's all we need, okay? That's the only command we need after we've installed the component. So the first step is to check the version for the control plane, and then upgrade your system, and then upgrade your Kubernetes component, kubeadm, kubectl, and kubelet. Upgrade it to the version for the control plane, and then that's it. And then remember to lock the versions, and then run the next command, which is to upgrade the node, because if you don't run this command, you're going to lose some points for it, okay? I need you to get all your marks. So now we've upgraded the node, and then we don't need apply. We are done, okay? We are done. So I'll clear my screen, go back to the question. It says, do not delete any resource, and then ensure the cluster is healthy after upgrade. So now that we are done, we need to restart the daemon reload. Okay, we need to restart the daemon, and then we need to restart the kubelet as well. So we restart them so that it can take effect, okay? And then restart the kubelet. Nice. So what does it say? Keep the cluster healthy after the upgrade. Use standard kubeadm node upgrade steps appropriate for the installed version. That's all. Now exit. Then we are done. Okay. So let's check our work. Get nodes. Hopefully we have the same version for the node 01, and then also control plane. That's all. We've just verified our work. We are done, but for our practice sake, we are not done. We need to check our work here. So clear the screen and let's check. And then it's question 11. And boom. Now we've successfully upgraded our node 01 version to the same version on the control plane node. Please, even beside the exams, you need to know how to upgrade a Kubernetes cluster, because if you are here, I know that you love Kubernetes, so that's why you are already here. So you need to know how to actually do this in real life. So when you are managing a production system, it will be very easy for you to get your hands dirty and then work around all this situation, okay? So without further much ado, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave your comment down there, and then also see you in the next one. I wish you all the best for your CKS exams, okay? I'm here for you. If you need any question, just please shoot me a message, okay? See you later.